Brian Koberger, the man accused of murdering 4 University of Idaho students 7 months ago, is expected to appear in court for a pretrial hearing today. He's facing 4 counts of first-degree murder, and now prosecutors say they plan to seek the death penalty. Aaron McLaughlin shares the latest from Idaho.
This morning, in an NBC News exclusive, the father of victim Kaylee Gonsalves reacting to news that prosecutors plan to seek the death penalty against Brian Koberger, the man accused of murdering his daughter and 3 other students at the University of Idaho.
Sense of relief. I'm glad that we're in a situation of strength and the evidence is there, and we feel that we can, they can go forward with this.
The family's attorney believes it's a clear-cut death penalty case.
If you're not going to pursue the guy for a death penalty on a case like this, who are you going to pursue for a death penalty?
In just a few hours, Koberger is set to return to a Moscow, Idaho courtroom for another pretrial hearing. His legal team is requesting records from last month's grand jury indictment of their client and are asking the judge to pause legal proceedings until they receive those materials. Already a key part of the case for both sides, Koberger's DNA and where it was and wasn't found. While prosecutors said in a court filing earlier this month that Koberger's DNA is a statistical match to DNA found on a knife sheath at the scene of the murders, his lawyers say authorities did not find any victim DNA in his apartment, office, home, or vehicle.
Is this your car?
He's had over a month before those search warrants were executed after the crime to throw away his clothes, wash his car, clean out his apartment. There's multiple ways to explain the lack of DNA in his vehicle, in his apartment. There's not a lot of ways to explain his DNA on the sheath of the murder weapon.
The legal battle is also unfolding just over a mile from the scene of the quadruple homicides. The off-campus home where Madison Mogan, Kaylee Gonsalves, Xana Kernodle, and Ethan Chapin were killed was set to be demolished. Before a judge ruled it should be preserved. Now the University of Idaho says they hope to have the house down ahead of the new school year. The Gonsalves family says the house should be preserved through trial.
I don't want to sit 6 months from now and hear somebody in the court case say, well, I really wish we could be in the house right now.
Once the case is over, then they can move on. But right now, it's the crime scene.